Astrobase. Astrobase is a space technology company that is based out of Bangalore, India. Astrobase is developing launch vehicles that is reusable launch vehicle technology. We have today fully built our engine for the launch vehicle. That is the milestone. The engine that you see is one of the most advanced rocket engines that has been ever built in the world. Only 3 other companies have been able to build this so far. Today we have only built it, we have still not fully fired it. So that milestone is still ahead of us and we are planning to do that within this year. But this is a major milestone not just for our company but for Bangalore. That Bangalore has supported us in building the most cutting edge and frontier technologies in the world and for India. Once successful, the objective of Astrobase is to take 1,000 tons of mass to space, to the low Earth orbit every year. Today, America has 11,000 plus satellites. China has 1,500 satellites. And India has less than 100 satellites, which is a very big challenge. The problem is that we as country we are not able to send many satellites because of our limited launching capacity. This needs immediate attention and we need to start sending tons and tons of payload to the orbit, to the space. That is the only way the nation can progress when it comes to the space and when it comes to the outer space universe. Thank you so much.